First of all, welcome all of you to today's roundtable. Our topic is adaptation of renewable energy in the textile and apparel industry.
আপনাদের সবাইকে স্বাগত জানাচ্ছি আজকে আমাদের রাউন্ড টেবিল টক অন রিনিউয়েবল এনার্জি।
Textile Focus and Radiant Alliance Limited together arranging this session. It is actually the brainstorming session that industry requirements and also the how we can adapt the renewable energy as alternate sources of energy and also prepare ourselves, that the textile and apparel industry to compete the global market.
সোলার রুফটপের ক্ষেত্রে আমি যদি বলি সেটা হচ্ছে ইন্ডাস্ট্রিয়াল অ্যান্ড কমার্শিয়াল রুফটপ, এটাতে আমরা এখন পর্যন্ত 180 মেগাওয়াটের মতো আমরা ফাইন্যান্স করেছি এবং আরও প্রায় 70 মেগাওয়াট ফাইন্যান্সিং ডিসেম্বরের মধ্যে হবে আশা করি।
Challenges in Bangladesh right now at present, for sure finance. That's it.
Rooftop space of 60,000 square feet, and altogether we can provide more than that. Our requirement is 1 megawatt. We are trying to make 1 megawatt from the renewable energy.
So it is about the mindset. Why we are going for rooftop solar and renewable energy? It is kind of mindset. We had mindset 7 years before. We were trying to get the rooftop solar because we have 20,000 square meter of rooftop. Fortunately, because all the buildings are shade building.
আমরা যদি ডিকার্বনাইজেশন না যেতে পারি এবং এটা অ্যাচিভ না করতে পারি তাহলে তারা অ্যাচিভ করতে পারবে না।
Actually, we are manufacturing solar panel since 2011. Initially, we manufactured small panel for household use like 20 watt to 100 watt. Sometimes we manufacture up to 250 watt. And from the beginning of this year, we are manufacturing bigger panel, especially for rooftop and ground-mounted solar plant. The capacity is 580 watt to up to 700 watt, and we are meeting all kind of certifications like DOB and ISO, actually which are required for net metering and STRATA guideline. Omera Solar now total installed capacity around 70 megawatt, and this 70 megawatt generating around 84,000 megawatt hour energy per year, which reducing CO2 emission around 84,000 tons per year.
This is good for day shift operations because now rooftop solar is typically cheaper than daytime grid power. But I want to highlight the merchant power policy. So now instead of buying through government contracts, private factories can contract directly with the private sector plants and they can wheel that power over the grid. So this deal can also transfer RECs and ties those megawatt hours to us and thereby to our buyers. So that makes the environmental claims auditable. So why is that important? It's important because of the EU Green Deal. It means that under the Corporate Sustainability Reporting Directive, that audited climate reports and supply chain due diligence is required by all of the brands.
I want to talk a bit about financing. One of the options that possibly could work is low-interest green loans in partnership with local banks and also multilateral agencies like the World Bank and so forth. So if that is able to be set up, I think we can benefit a lot from that.
Before that, আমার মনে হয় যে আমরা আরেকটা জিনিস এটার সাথে in a greater scope একটু অ্যাড করতে চাই. It's not about the renewable energy, and we are pushing our members for the smart implementation of smart energy into the textile industry. It's not about the solar. how we can minimize our electricity and energy consumption. This is first. And then আমরা কিভাবে ট্রাই জেনারেশন এন্ড কো জেনারেশনের মাধ্যমে আমরা এই জিনিসগুলোকে আরো এমপ্লিফাই করতে পারি, সেই বিষয়গুলো নিয়ে আমরা কাজ করছি।
70% of our household and other industries in the market, supermarkets, we are avoiding. So if really we want to think about the renewable energy, we need to think about all aspects.
The main point is missing is the roadmap. How to achieve the goal, connecting the dots. We know one set of all the problems that we have, and we know most of the solution, if not all. But how to collaborate? Because I think from our organizations, we have been discussing these points that there is not a national level framework.
Recommendations from all the stakeholders who will come, and thank you for your valuable comments and recommendations.